When you print something and notice white lines on the printout, try this quick tip. When printing a Word document, click Print Properties. In the window that opens, set the print quality to High. Click OK, then print your document. If you are printing a PDF, you may see the options simply as Properties. The print dialog may vary depending on the application you are using, so look for Print Properties or Properties. The same settings window will open. Set the print quality to High, then click OK and print your document. I hope this tip helps solve your printing problem. Please let us know your experience in the comments below. Thank you for watching iTech Tips.